Morning, King Shibi and the Two Birds, chapter number 3. We have read the story. Today we are discussing word meaning of this chapter. So first word is governess. The meaning of governess is ruling of a country. Second, justice. The meaning of justice is fair treatment of people. Next, desperate. The meaning of desperate is hopeless. Next, fierce. Meaning of fierce is wild and ready to attack. Next is parapet. The meaning of parapet is a low wall along the edge of a balcony. Next one is snatch. So in the snatch, the meaning of snatch you can write only grab. No need to write this. Take something quickly. Then only you can write grab. Next one is refuse. The meaning of refuse is protection from danger. Trusting means believing. Predator means an animal that kills and eats other animal. Next, survive. Continue to live despite danger. So next one. This you will not write in your notebook, okay? But we are discussing this here also. At the cost of. The meaning of this is the loss involved in achieving something. Dilemma. Difficulty of choosing between two equally important options. Next, supreme, most important. Argumentative, constantly arguing. Carnivorous, meat eating. Accurate, correct and true. Next is chunk. The meaning of chunk is a thick solid piece. Outweighted, weight more. Divine, related to God. Humble, modest. Vanished, disappeared suddenly. So this we have discussed that word meaning. Now exercise. Choose the correct answer. King Shibi was famous for his hunting skills, kindness to birds, or kindness of good governance. So right answer is C part, kindness and good governance. Next question. In return for the peasant's life, Shibi offered the falcon 100 gold coins, his kingdom, and another peasant. So right answer is B part, his kingdom. Next, third one. The falcon and the peasant were actually dash. Indra and Surya, Agni and Varuna, Indra and Agni. So third one is correct, Indra and Agni. Okay. Next is true and false. Shibi did not like falcon. Shibi did not like falcon. Is what true or false? It is false. The falcon was arguing intelligently. It is true. At the end of the story, the falcon and the pigeon become friends and they flew away together. It was so? No. They were not friends and they did not flew away together. So it is false. F I have written. F for false and true for T for true. So these are the question answer. Later on we will do question answer. First we have done this exercise. Next part is of vocabulary, and vocabulary we will do in another video. So thank you. Have a nice day.